In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update payment method for Amazon Prime. If your card has changed or expired, updating it correctly ensures your Prime benefits keep running without interruption. We'll do this on a desktop browser, starting with your Amazon wallet, and then assigning the new card to your Prime membership so payments charge the right method. First, head to Amazon and sign in to your account. On the top right, hover over Accounts and Lists to reveal the menu. Then click your account. On the account page, choose your payments. This is your Amazon wallet, where all your saved cards and payment options live. Find the card you currently use or the one you want to update. If you see an edit option, click it to update details like the card number, expiration date, or billing address. If the card is no longer valid, or you want to add a different one, select Add a payment method instead, enter the new card details carefully, and save. At this point, you've updated your payment method in your Amazon wallet, but that alone doesn't always switch the card used for Prime. Next, link the new card to your Prime membership. From your account, open your Prime membership. Look for Payment Method or Manage Payment options within your Prime membership area. Click Change next to your current payment method. You'll see a list of cards saved in your wallet. Select the new card you just added or updated and confirm. Wait for the on-screen confirmation so you know Prime is now set to bill the correct card. If you have multiple cards on file, double-check that the one you chose is the one you intend to use for Prime renewals. A few important tips to keep things smooth. Updating a card in your payments doesn't always auto-assign it to Prime, which is why that second step is essential. If your previous card expired, it's often cleaner to remove the old card after you've added the new one, so there's no confusion later. Amazon may place a small temporary authorization on your card to verify it. This is normal and should disappear automatically. Make sure the billing address on the card matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. And if your screen looks slightly different, the labels might vary by region, but the flow is the same. Update in your payments, then assign it inside your Prime membership. That's it. Your Amazon Prime payment method is now up to date.